All right, abusia mama wakwa baby attention TV so me say attention na attention yete say ada fontenta ne yaje aboso udu Facebook ye ne yeti Twitter crowd ye wo say ye na bibi ekoso udu YouTube a no yimfie kase internet say ne opem so wo ya santeman dia no attention TV ya himfie kase pa no ane YouTube at YouTube no one subscribe pe na wo pese ade no efa wachi se ne de bia boys no manya faster wo mo fa machi no so enti no in fact boys no so omoya smart na me so manya smart pa me fa machi enti no wo subscribe pe na also na oni koba na university say ebio menkan chiro se eba na doye oh in fact kroma ekuna fo asra ma so si akura de omu afukura se wo mu dikuna efi se ma me no in fact wo hwe wo mu and into wo so be kabusua no ho na university foundation na twumade no enti menya kra be hwe e dia meje so na agya isika pa amanse ye hye de hye no message djuma me ba me ntwa me wo the moment I met time who say pe obo se boys no na fast omko but you see today I am on Nanado is a show boy Oba Kroma everybody knows Nana one district 153 Nana one tournament 1 point Nana one constituency $1 million just say in fact Nana is a show boy but you see Nanado is our grandfather, is our uncle, is our father, is our everything. But the fact that is our uncle, is our father does not mean say watch here. We don't have the right to bring him to the right way. What does he? In fact, I am a fakra say you to know you timika say oh no ahanye is very important say we partake in what national issues. Say na be yam penifo be say no ya twene wo man no ho man yenim say daache no dia. But you see levy we say ba ye say say levy say minim nipo ko fa ba ye minim because ba me as a vice president I'm not sure he knew that the levy was coming on because one of his statements can say you can't tax momo. You can't tax momo. And now Abaya not the same buying on no vice president now buying and say we are coming to tax momo. So I'm not sure Baomia was aware of that levy stuff. So him there no so there na eso no. But you see eko eba ne sai ye no ne sai na ambene na nado. Ensu anto ade ansa. Ghana for na petro yensu ye bu ni tot. Kane ya ye nka ho asem eno na nkroma ye street light se ebu nani ye hu de pese kire eno na highway so a kane obi ani wo edundundundum ana na nado se bode levy ba na de abetiti croway. In fact say levy we say no boxing enya blow eye boxing pa boot to boot akọ no enya sem kuma anokwa ma eye friend say the speaker of the house right honorable Abansumana Bagbin eno wafa ho de ahwase ayenda ene ya na ọkọ medical review so woni ho a muntimi nyintum o ha mejatum ho ka se wa sei on say ye kyan so bio na aye na ado si no eno se Ghana for anti levy na ase and wo be town hall meeting na town hall meeting you know town hall meeting no near the educated Ghanaians on the levy near the church but my issue here is now parliamentary process hey what about parliamentary procedure no the citizens though the MPs our representative but yet we take part in parliamentary process. Why? Because see the budget about parliament yeah they call various constituencies near go do town hall meetings now town hall meeting yes say the various constituencies you know you be disseminating the budget to the electorate to understand the budget the benefits and what the disbenefits no be on the left and right but well minim so be yo so be yo so man yo nobody knows. And now that Ghanaians are fighting and wanting and scrabbling and flying over this budget afena mukoya town hall meeting when your friend afterthought no afena mukoya how do you call it town hall meeting no it means you people you are very confused. You are confused You are confused. My totally confused. So disguised because munim dia moye. Aso bi kika muti bom. Aso bi wo machi. Se mpane tete makonya so na muntimi ntrase ngino. I don't know. Aduane amudi no se nchiri nimo. Se I don't know. Minim the kind of nso a yede aduane mamudi. Krom ha penifo. Krom penifo. And obia saria. That's what I can say. Says the youth no pokasa doto. Yes, you pokasa because mum wayai. Oko western was a benefit chene. 2 minutes bia na tuma namu, 2 minutes bia na infrastructure na. Ba obo kromba sikadie na. And okwa ka ye beka so mu je dededo. Entina common boys no wa mu nyedede. Ati akomu ku boys no wa mu nyedede. Ena se nipa nam traffic mu no atade krom ha. Na wonfu fre ane ne na ho pra obeka so pebra mu mankan. Why? Because the economy a chinsam a jiegu a chasa anwene se ayese bancha pese de si gaso a ejaduma amen. Ayese gase opem and the other kroma. So you see nanado once again or your father or your mother, but the fact is someone we have every right to criticize government. And it's in democracy no. Democracy no. That is what it entails. Democracy, it entails a whole lot. And to some person you ever criticize them, and you people should do the right thing. Mama ya huntaye. And you see, the most annoying part of this is that town hall meeting, they are going to invest. They are going to invest because convoy be caught, food be caught. At the end of the day, we bear the cost because we pay tax to you people. You pay nothing to the state. Mo kwa ya ba mo as gracia say as one share. And now we over 5 billion Ghana cedis. As gracia just like that. Atimono the dia na mo go mo time did help minimum ka we say the idea for we say did nothing idea for no because you have everything. We pay your water bill, we pay your light bill, we pay your everything. Mo ko parliament ko certain allowance. Mo je you to quite traveling allowance, moje, so you have everything. As if you are seeing your money, you get everything. We get everything for you. So you to think and also are your problem. Thinking now your problem. Did not change are your problem. And we are not saying say you no more betray, you betua buy cool. No, nobody support cool. That one is is a haram. But the actual fact is, someone here faster. You better the day. Hey, someone here faster. You better the day. And then look at the number of people. I will go through stress. And the government, you are aware. The government, you are aware. The ministers are aware. And to be anti-me solid. Ghana penny for. And you see, I don't blame them. I blame the chiefs. I don't blame them. I blame the chiefs. Why? Because the chiefs, when they come, they give them money, so they are all quiet. They are all quiet. They are all quiet. The paramount chiefs are quiet. The south chiefs are quiet. The divisional council are quiet. Everybody is quiet. And I remember when the German politicians, and one say just like that. And now come back, one to call them say politicians, I come home, or 70%. 70% politicians. Come in so I say politicians. No more cause that kind of disaster to the state. But nobody cares. Because at the end of the day, when we put them, and we put Jeff Luna, and we come and say, Yanka. Mubaka say, hey, Yanka. Mubaka say, hey, but Yakanso, Mubaka say, hey, and this is the baby, hey. No. And when you are a youth and you bring a faith, then they try to intimidate you. Nobody should intimidate we because we are suffering and we have to voice out. When you intimidate we find another way and come out. Ukuma apema kotokofo na ka apembeba. Uku kwabena kwatobeba. Uku kwaju akwame beba. And that one you have to know. And to the say the better for you, you do the right thing. Hey! Amaya timu prepare, mubuni thought. Mutibidum kania, just like that, anyhow, anywhere. Namu sasa mkafoni ama. na mo say sankafo niama just like that ati bibini go be ye de we wiase. That is what I want to know. Mon kan say ye be ye de we wiase bibini. Sometimes ye nu ye ho say ye bibifo na ya sa be pie Ghana ye nu ye ho ukobro ni krom pa atu be bisa say tinyankopon no ono bobro ni no bo bibini. But the same God who created bibini no ono created broni e ba ne say ana bibini krom de atete pansam e ba ne say bibini krom atete pansam ana broni krom aye okwa kanso e be ka shut up tina bibini anyine ho ba da ban ti mo pese ye ba chance na ye be ka bia na no ye mo pese ye ba che ya manche o ya manche na macha tina ye beka bibia chegu kroma ye beka over 20 years ye ji democracy over 20 years Ghana frankasa so sometimes minim de no kwa Ghana for yedi the citizens I don't know the kind of aduan yedi ye na we abetwa 8 years we tin say unu sa na okọ na another party aba na obetwa 8 years we tin say unu sa na okọ ye ntimi nsisem na za ba wan to aso bia nchew se me yeku a na abecheme na man to abai ye Ghana for se me yeku a obecheme ba man to abai se yesi ya nto abai how so ta mo ma ya to abai nu ya ho se ya to abama tim nipa mama ye nu ya ho se ya to abama nipa because amamu no se na mo be rani bia nye ene school just eno so you tag for aye dede ababa echi ansa na aban ati say yes ya onko for asi ye tua omka but yeah na article 70 now 71 na verse 8 na mu na ye koto 8 na ye allowance age na ye pepe na dam na wo ye fe ne say civilians na wo mu ya tuma ma ho civil civil servant for no wutimi nhwa wo mo ba mo pe range adam o pe viet adam penny be no penny dia tanta be ni uno ma ti fie e komete wo mo ni ntale papa sai wo mo ni aduane ti na wa akwato ka e ye show off penny dia be for say hunu sa abaso no what kind of penny is that? Hey, what kind of penny is that? Sha penny bia wo fie na want me hwe ni fie so no ni fie ni ma wo mbu no. So if you want us to respect you and you do the right thing, so what if you know your penny? Now penny, you know what you fear no. Wo ma, wo mo atare mo hye enye, wo mu so mo no enye, wo mo kania onje ho, wo mo bibia emfa ho a. They see you as useless father. That is how they see you. Though they will not tell you. But when you are coming, I show you no pu ni chie. Oh, pa daddy e jano. Onye serious. Yes, it's true. You are not serious. Because we want to be nyene and call kind because be papa tini will be man so but want to come back and to try some and show off say who sa and all to chroma hey nanado you see so who the kind of people are omaye so I mean disappointed so wo moto abama nanado you see you go back hey, the way people trusted Nanado's government you know. And said SB aginsam and said you see I don't know how to say send SB amwana wakasa no e be your fe why because Nanado's government no atetia pansam amamuni nya ayamamu bone enya sikadi rough of basa omudi sika no just like that and am kokobobo mo amamwa mo so amakwa kwedi $2.5 billion mo sika no wa bra obiti biase awo kodokro dunkwa ofe na omunsu okra no aye problem se hunu sa subscribe channel no Attention TV mame maka che say YouTube ya himfie kase na Facebook nso eye baby kase ya no so ye dwe ho agya wo Twitter no attention TV subscribe channels ni nyina na afi follow yen bedin ade na agya isikapa university de menja ni dimbo afi we say no in fact adoye obeye no wa meka ho a wan gasa no obohun say why your mistake kese pa nyagopon enhira o ye be say hia biom wo bete sound so bye bye.